Yo guys, welcome to Firewarrior 24 YouTube channel, the channel of sensation, guys. So today we're going to be washing these two cars, my 1995 Subaru Impreza wagon and my 2020 Subaru WRX. So guys, I figured since we're going to be comparing these, I might as well wash them together too. So make sure you guys watch both this video and the one where I compare these two Subarus in 25 years here different. So let's get after it. Now that's one shiny WRX, guys. Looking around her, look how pretty that son of a gun is. Whew. Barely take the beauty of this thing. Oh, I love these cars so much. I love Subaru, guys, as you probably can tell. That was my first Subaru, this is my second. Just love Subarus. Now that we got this one all cleaned and dried off, let's get to that one. We got this one all shinied up again here. 1995 Subaru Impreza wagon. She's looking like a beaut. So guys, we're gonna do the interiors of these cars. So let's get at it. First order of business is this 2020 Subaru WRX. Now today I'm just gonna use some cheaper cleaning wipes right here, the auto drive ones, because you know I clean this car quite often, so I'm just gonna use the cleaning wipes because I ran out of the actual like Turtle Wax and the Meguiar's I use. Ran out of that spray, so we're just gonna use these for now. Got these as a Christmas present. They work good for quick little small details, so that's what we're gonna use. I'm gonna set you up on this chair and point it this way, and we're gonna clean this on time lapse. Let's get after it. Alrighty guys, I know it's hard to really tell, but it's all cleaned, it's not dusty, it's really kind of clean. It's hard to tell here, like what's clean and what's not, but once you dry you can see it's clean. So this whole car's got cleaned. Let's get the Impreza. I didn't do the back seats of this car, but I did the whole front. So, and the passenger side I didn't even really film it because no one rides over there, so it took like maybe a minute. It didn't take very long. So let's get to the Impreza. Alrighty guys, we got her all cleaned up here. So, let's get out to our outro. So guys, sadly that's it. But of course, I'll see you guys on Friday, cause it's every man, bro. Peace out.